My name is Christian Matthews. I'm currently finishing off my level 3 apprenticeship in light vehicle maintenance and repair. I left school with 8 GCSEs, but I knew I wanted to be a mechanic, so A levels didn't interest me. After I joined the Southern Regional College, I joined the Training for Success programme, and then over a period of time, I gained employment with Gilmore Auto Services, which then I was then transferred onto the apprenticeship scheme. Um, After that, then I completed my level 2 apprenticeship, and now I'm currently finishing off my level 3. I attend one day at the college and work in Gilmore's all the other days. When I finish my level 3, I hope to further my career by enrolling in the level 4 motor vehicle diagnostic programme.